definitely one problem upon this heading will be asked. So, and consider that I just given one problem too, but before solving the problem, let me define the two terms. What do you mean by the term empirical and molecular formula? Empirical formula is nothing but it is the simplest ratio of all the elements present in a molecule. एक molecule में जितने भी elements होंगे उनका simplest ratio उसका नाम है empirical formula. Molecular formula, see heading is giving formula of a molecule. Difference क्या है दोनों में? See molecular formula it is giving us the exact number of all the elements present in a molecule, but empirical formula gives us the ratio. दोनों are एक दूसरे से related है. Both of them are related with one another. Empirical it is giving you the ratio. Molecular it will be giving you the exact number of all the atoms present in a molecule. So how are they related? How can we solve a problem? That is, how can you get the molecular formula when the composition are given? Let us see the problem, then we will come to know how to solve it. Definitely they will be asking the problem, as I said, it will be asked for 3 marks. Okay, let us see the problem. The problem says a compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen, 24.27% of carbon and 71.65% of chlorine. He has given its molar mass is 98.96 gram. You have to go for what are its empirical and molecular formula. देखो क्या दिया है? He has given कितना हाइड्रोजन है, कितना कार्बन है और कितना क्लोरीन है. आपका काम है, आपका काम एम्पिरिकल और मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला लाके रखना है. कैसे रखेंगे? देखो, we start the problem with making डब्बा. The डब्बा is called as what? Column. So the first will be no doubt element. Second column, what is the percentage? या फिर percentage he has taken. Percentage का दूसरा नाम will be amount. कितना लिया? Third will be the atomic weight. Atomic weight of this element. Fourth column will be number of moles. What is number of mole का formula? That number of moles will be, it will be equal to weight taken by atomic weight. यहाँ पे हमारे एलिमेंट है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? एटॉमिक मास लूँगी. अगर हमारे पास मॉलिक्यूल है तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास. Okay, this was about third column. Coming to fourth column. Coming to fifth. The fifth column is number of moles divided by smallest number of mole. Number of mole by smallest number of mole. Have patience, we'll get to know the end. Next, last bit is the empirical formula. Okay, so these are the columns which I need to get the answer. So as I said, the element, there are 3 elements he has given. The first element is hydrogen. Okay, what is the percentage he has taken? 4.07. मैं अभी बताया आपको percentage का मतलब ही nothing but amount. And how to get the percentage? That we have come across under the heading percentage composition. Now what is atomic weight of hydrogen? 1. Clear? What is number of mole here? I said the formula is weight taken by atomic weight. कितना लिया? What is the weight taken? 4.07 divided by what is atomic weight of hydrogen? 1. Value will be 4.07. आपका simple mathematics here. Okay, now what is the next? These 2 columns will leave empty because ये सब आने के बाद ये आएंगे. Now the second element he has taken what? Carbon. Carbon. What is the percentage of carbon? 24.27. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 आएगा, डेसिमल के बाद आई एम नॉट कंसिडरिंग। देन कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट कॉलम, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ मोल बाय स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ मोल। अब देखो हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ मोल कितने हैं, 3 हैं, राइट। अब अगर मुझे इसको सॉल्व करना है, नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ, इसी को लेना हाइड्रोजन का नंबर ऑफ मोल डिवाइड बाय इन तीनों एलिमेंट में सबसे छोटा नंबर ऑफ मोल किसका है, उससे डिवाइड करेंगे। सी मेरे पास एलिमेंट 3 है, आई ओनली 3 एलिमेंट्स, 1 2 3, तो 1 का वैल्यू 4, देन 2, देन 2। नाउ इनमें सबसे छोटा वैल्यू कौन है, नो डाउट 2। सो मैं सारे नंबर ऑफ मोल को 2 से डिवाइड करूंगी, बिकॉज हियर द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ मोल इज 2। अगर आपके पास किसी और प्रॉब्लम में वहीं पे अगर नंबर ऑफ मोल 1 आया, तो उसको सारे एलिमेंट्स के नंबर ऑफ मोल को दैट 1 से डिवाइड करना है। आई मीन टू टेल दैट गिवन एलिमेंट whatever the smallest value of number of mole will be there, that you need to divide. So here what is the number of mole, 4.07 divided by, as I said, the smallest value will be 2। वैल्यू कितना है approximately 2। as I said डेसिमल के बाद में वैल्यू को छोड़ देते, क्योंकि मुझे फॉर्मूला लाना है। फॉर्मूले में आधा क्लोरीन 0.75 कभी नहीं रहता, होल नंबर दे विल बी। सो only for that reason I am neglecting the values after decimal. Hope you got the reason. Now coming to this part, what is the number of mole of carbon? We got 2, right? 2 divided by, again smaller number is as I said 2, 2 को 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो बचा कितना, 1, right? Same way go for this one. What is the number of mole of chlorine you got, 2 divided by, again smallest number is 2, आंसर कितना आया, 1। अब these are our simplest ratio of all the elements। so simplest ratio of all the elements का दूसरा नाम ही हमारा empirical formula था। now write how many H are there, I got H का वैल्यू कितने आए, 2, ठीक है। the next element is carbon how many I got, 1। next what is next element, chlorine how many I got, 1। ये देखने में ये कचरा लग रहा ना, तो if I write 1 second I get H2C1 लिखो ना लिखो, it's understood, कुछ भी नहीं का मतलब 1 C, ठीक है। फिर भी पढ़ने में आसान नहीं है, तो I can write this as CH2Cl। what I done, just interchange करी so that देखने में भी अच्छा, पढ़ने में भी easy। so what is the case, CH2Cl। तो मेरे पास C1H2Cl1 जो आया है उसी का नाम है एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला। तो मेरे पास फर्स्ट पार्ट आई गॉट द आंसर। मेरे पास दो प्रॉब्लम है, दो पार्ट दिस इज आस्किंग, वन इज एम्पिरिकल, अदर वन इज मॉलिक्यूलर। द फर्स्ट पार्ट आई गॉट इट। now we will focus upon the second part, that is molecular formula। as I said both empirical and molecular formula interrelated, तो कैसे एक दूसरे से related है, we'll see now। so before that we will go for calculating empirical formula weight। कैसे करेंगे empirical formula weight, how to calculate, see empirical formula को लेंगे, उसका weight find करेंगे। what is the formula, CH2Cl। how to calculate the weight, simple, as I said carbon 1 लिया है into 1 that is weight of 1 carbon, atomic weight of carbon is 12। सही जादेशा। now the second item is plus 2 into weight of 1 hydrogen is 2 प्लस क्लोरीन हमारे पास 1 है, 1 क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक वेट हियर एज आई सेड इट इज 35.5। approximately 48.46. 48. 40 approximately 44, sorry, 44 again, sorry, 49.46. ऐड करके देखो 12 plus 2 16 plus this will be 49.46. Now this is our empirical formula weight. Now moving further, as it is interrelated, how to get the formula? Molecular formula will be equal to N into empirical formula. Got it? Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. आपके पास empirical formula है, but what is that N? That N again will be molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. That N value is molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. What is the molar mass? He has given, problem में दिया है, it is what? 98.96 he has given, divided by empirical formula mass कितना आया है? 49.46 approximately. Okay, so again the value will be 2. Divide करके देखो, the value will be 2. Now just N into that value will be again molecular formula will be 2 into what is empirical formula? CH2C. So 2 into end में क्या आएगा? 2 into C is 2 is C2. 2 into H2 is double होता H4. 2 into Cl will be Cl2. So this is our molecular formula. This is the method of calculating empirical formula and molecular formula. As I said, empirical formula will be given to the simplest ratio of all the elements, and molecular formula gives us the exact number of all the elements present in a molecule. So this is the method. Once you know the atomic mass, other will be dead easy. So go through the problem at least twice, then you get to know, and try to solve, because everyone are having NCERT textbooks with you. Try to solve number of problems, only that way you can understand the concept. Just by seeing you can't. Okay, this was about the topic, and rest we'll see in the next class. Thank you.